What's up, NMS? This is Sam
and Landon
with your WNMS episode for October 25th, 2023. Today is National Greasy Food Day, so make sure your food is greasy. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
This week, Novi Middle School is participating in the School Safety Week. We want all Wildcats to feel empowered to keep themselves and each other safe.
During this week, you can earn raffle tickets for winning your school ID, demonstrating strong power traits and being a leader in school safety. Let's hear from Detective Warren about the significance of school safety.
So Safety Week is an annual nationwide event that brings together the students, the staff, community members, where we come up with events and activities and spark conversations about how we can be safer in school. Our middle school is participating because we want everyone here to feel welcomed and safe while they're at school. A lot of times when we think about school safety, we think about physical safety, but it also deals with emotional safety. So I think by following the golden rule of treating others how you want to be treated, you never know what someone's going through in life, so we just need to be kind. So that's one thing we do for emotional safety. And for physical safety, we could do things like making sure when you enter your classroom door, if you're the last one, you shut the classroom door behind you, by making sure you don't prop exterior doors open or open them for anyone. And also one of the main things is if you see something, say something. So you can report something to your trusted adult if you see anything, or you can report anonymously through OK to Say. Safety in general is very important because, again, we want everyone to feel welcome and safe here, and the safer you feel, the better you are at being able to learn to your highest potential, which is very important to us here at the middle school.
Be sure to turn in raffle tickets into the collection box at lunch by Friday to earn prizes, including gift cards, Novi gear, and the ultimate prize, a catered lunch with Detective Warren.
Mr. Sinopoli is still hosting office hours during lunches this month. If interested, see the sign-up list at the lunch table or find Mr. Sinopoli.
These will be held during most lunches Tuesday, Thursday, and Thursday throughout the month of October. The newest NMS school play will take Friday, November at 7:30 p.m. The Novi Middle School students will be performing Eureka plays in science and innovation.
This 45-minute comedy is a collection of scenes that seeks to humanize science by looking at advanced discoveries and inventions from the point of view of both famous and unknown men and women, reaching back to ancient times into the modern age. The students in Miss Winkler's foods class, have been having a lot of fun lately making pancakes and oatmeal cookies. Here is pictures demonstrating the importance of oats in an oatmeal cookie and following a recipe. This raw oatmeal batter turns into the 5-star oatmeal cookie. Tons of great things are happening in foods class. The staff of the Paw Print, our student newspaper, is looking for the students to submit Dear Wildcat questions. Submissions ask them anything you want advice on, and they will try their best to answer it. You can remain anonymous and use a pen name to protect your identity. The form is linked on the WNMS Schoology group page.
Laiah has your headlines.
Hey NMS, this is Laiah with your headline news for October 24th. According to Doggone News, pumpkin growers enter a competition to receive the world record prize for the biggest gourd. Competitors had to produce a world record pumpkin to win the money, one that was heavier than 2,702 pounds. Travis Ganger won the competition with his gourd named Michael Jordan, which is named after its shape. From his words, he basically said it looked like a basketball. It's the year 2023, which is Michael Jordan's jersey number, which seemed perfect. But then it expanded to a funny-looking shape. In the end, he won $30,000. This is Laiah with your headline news.
This is Hannah with your Wildcat Sports Wrap. The World Series is set as the Arizona Diamondbacks will play the Texas Rangers starting Friday night. The Red Wings have started hot this season, but unfortunately they lost last night to the Seattle Kraken in overtime. The Detroit Pistons open their season tonight as they take on the Miami Heat. Let's check in with Evan for today's moment in history.
Hello, this is Evan with your Today in History. On this day 59 years ago, the Minnesota Vikings star defensive end Jim Marshall recovered a fumble against the 49ers and ran 66 yards the wrong way. Since he believed he scored a touchdown, he threw the ball in the air, resulting in a safety. On the flight back from the game, he kept on getting harassed by teammates, telling him to get in the cockpit and fly the plane to Hawaii. Jim Marshall had an amazing career, recording 130 sacks, as well as playing 282 straight games, which is one of the longest streaks of all time. Despite having an amazing career and just barely missing out on the Hall of Fame, he is still most remembered for running the wrong way. This has been Evan with your Today in History.
Hi, this is Aubrey with your weather for today. Today you have a high of 63 and a low of 58 with a 90% chance of rain. Tomorrow has a high of 74 degrees and a low of 62. There is also a 20% chance of rain. Happy birthday to the following students.
Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
5 seconds.
Hey Sam, did you know that beavers used to be the size of bears?
What did the bear say when he had to relay an unhappy message? I hate to be the bad bearer of news. So corny. Today's shout out goes to Sarvesh Magesh in Ms. Radke's 4th period science class. Sarvesh posted a 100-day photo in our media album on the WNMS Schools group page. That's all I have today. I hope you have a great day, NMS. Oh, and grease your food. I need my shoes.